Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And it's a very beautiful day. So I want to do an outfit of the day, but not really outfit of the day, a shoe of the day. And one friend mentioned you should do a shoe of the day. So I was thinking maybe I will use the outfit to complement the shoes. And it's very comfortable. Oh, I'm so silly. Let's see the backyard. And it's less hot these couple of days. Yesterday was extremely hot. The day before yesterday, and then yesterday starting to be better, and now it's so much better. Okay, here is this pair of shoes. You do not see. Okay, I will move a little bit of the camera so that you can see. So I think you can see it. This is the pair of shoes I am wearing, and it's super duper comfortable. It goes with any color, and so this is the pair of shoes I'm wearing, and it's so very comfortable, and you can take this out and wash it. It's made of recycled bottle. Not really making advertisement for it, but it's just so comfortable. Oh, see, black and white with my dress. Seems okay. Shoe of the day. And I always wear the same kind of shoes because it's so comfortable. Okay, this is how I look with it. We are a little bit small, the front here. Okay. Let me have some fun here. And it has pocket. These clothes have pocket. Raise a little bit up. I think this is better. Even a little bit up. Yeah, it's very comfortable. And a little bit soft cushion. You can walk as if walking on spring. It's bounce up. Okay, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. I am making my cookie now. Okay, look at the backyard, the blackberry. Bye bye. No, blueberry. Blueberry. Blackberry is there.